In the United States, finance is not only essential for personal and business growth, but also one of the most lucrative content niches for monetization. High CPM, or cost per thousand impressions, is common in finance because advertisers target an audience with high purchasing power and investment potential. In this part, we will explore high-value finance topics, investment strategies, credit management, and monetization tips for content creators. High CPM finance niches. Certain finance topics consistently attract high ad rates in the US. Investments and stock market. Tutorials, stock analysis, portfolio management, and market news attract professional and retail investors. Cryptocurrency and blockchain. Reviews of crypto exchanges, trading strategies, and blockchain developments target high-interest investors. Banking and loans. Credit cards, mortgages, personal loans, and refinancing options appeal to Americans looking to optimize finances. Insurance and risk management. Life insurance, health insurance, auto insurance, and annuities attract high-paying advertisers. Tax planning and accounting. Guides on deductions, filing strategies, and business tax planning are valuable to both individuals and businesses. Fintech tools, digital wallets, robo-advisors, investment apps, and payment platforms have large engaged U.S. audiences. Investment strategies. Understanding investment strategies is key for both personal wealth and content creation. Stock market investing. Discuss long-term investing, dividend stocks, growth stocks, and risk diversification. Mutual funds and ETFs. Explain the benefits of pooled investments, diversification, and low-cost index funds. Real estate investments. Cover property purchases, REITs, and rental income strategies. Cryptocurrency trading. Include insights on market volatility, trading platforms, and security practices. Retirement accounts. Provide guidance on 401ks, IRAs, and Roth IRAs, including tax benefits and contribution limits. Credit management. Credit plays a central role in U.S. finance, influencing loan eligibility, interest rates, and financial opportunities. Key aspects include understanding credit scores. Explain the factors affecting credit scores, including payment history, credit utilization, and length of credit. Credit cards and debt management. Discuss responsible usage, rewards, balance transfer strategies, and avoiding high-interest debt. Loans and financing options. Educate about personal loans, mortgages, auto loans, and refinancing to optimize costs. Building and repairing credit. Tips for new borrowers, improving scores, and dealing with credit challenges. Monetization strategies for finance content. Finance content is highly monetizable in the U.S. Strategies include high CPM niches such as investing, insurance, and credit attract premium advertisers on YouTube and blogs. Affiliate marketing. Promote financial products, apps, or services, earning commissions on sign-ups or sales. Sponsored content. Collaborate with fintech companies, investment platforms, or insurance providers for reviews and tutorials. Premium courses and webinars. Offer in-depth financial education or specialized investment training for subscribers. Content ideas for maximum engagement. To attract high-value audiences and maximize CPM. Tutorials on stock analysis, retirement planning, or crypto trading. Product comparisons for credit cards, investment apps, or insurance plans. Market updates, financial news summaries, and expert interviews. Case studies demonstrating wealth growth, debt reduction, or investment success. Trends driving high CPM in finance. Emerging trends contribute to increasing CPM in U.S. finance content. Digital banking and fintech. Online banking apps, investment platforms, and robo-advisors target tech-savvy professionals. Cryptocurrency and NFTs. High interest from U.S. investors attracts premium advertisers. AI and finance. Tools for trading, personal finance management, and analytics are gaining popularity. Sustainable investing, ESG. Environmentally and socially responsible investments attract conscious investors with high purchasing power. In conclusion, U.S. finance content is highly profitable due to targeted audiences and advertiser competition. By focusing on high CPM niches, providing actionable investment strategies, teaching credit management, and leveraging monetization opportunities, content creators can build authority and generate significant revenue. In the next part of this series, we will explore advanced investment techniques, financial planning for long-term wealth, and scaling monetization in the U.S. finance niche. Finance plays a central role in the United States, influencing both personal wealth and business growth. It encompasses banking, investments, insurance, credit, and financial planning. Understanding how finance works is essential for individuals, entrepreneurs, and professionals who want to make informed decisions, grow wealth, and take advantage of opportunities in the U.S. economy. Personal finance. Personal finance involves managing income, expenses, savings, and investments to achieve financial stability. Key areas include budgeting, emergency funds, credit management, retirement planning, and debt management. Americans use checking and savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment accounts to manage finances effectively. High-interest savings accounts, certificates of deposit, and U.S. Treasury bonds are popular low-risk investment options. Banking and credit. Banks are essential to personal and business finance in the United States. They provide checking accounts, savings accounts, mortgages, auto loans, and personal loans. Credit cards allow consumers to borrow short-term funds and earn rewards while building credit history. Responsible use of credit impacts credit scores, which determine eligibility for loans, interest rates, and insurance premiums. Investments and stock market. Investing is a major component of U.S. finance. Individuals and institutions invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and real estate to grow wealth. The U.S. stock market, including major exchanges like the NYSE and NASDAQ, offers opportunities for both long-term investing and short-term trading. Understanding risk tolerance, diversification, and market trends is key to successful investing. Retirement planning. Retirement planning is critical in the U.S., where most people rely on personal savings and employer-sponsored plans. Common retirement accounts include 401k plans, IRAs, and Roth IRAs. Employers often match contributions to 401k plans, providing additional incentives to save. Effective retirement planning ensures financial security in later years and may include diversified investments, annuities, and insurance products. Insurance and risk management. Insurance protects individuals and businesses against financial losses. Common insurance types include health, auto, home, life, and business insurance. In the U.S., health insurance is particularly important due to high medical costs. Life and property insurance provide financial security, while liability coverage protects against lawsuits or accidents. Insurance is a key component of a comprehensive financial plan. Business finance focuses on managing capital, cash flow, and investments for companies. It includes securing loans, managing accounts payable and receivable, budgeting, and forecasting. Businesses also invest in assets, technology, and personnel to drive growth. Access to venture capital, lines of credit, and government loans helps businesses scale operations and remain competitive in the U.S. market. Financial technology, or fintech, has transformed finance in the United States. Online banking, digital wallets, peer-to-peer payment apps, robo-advisors, and blockchain-based solutions offer convenience and efficiency. Fintech platforms simplify investing, trading, payments, and personal finance management. They also attract advertisers targeting a tech-savvy audience, making finance content highly valuable for monetization. Financial literacy is critical for making informed decisions. Understanding budgeting, credit scores, interest rates, investments, taxes, and insurance empowers individuals to manage money effectively. Many Americans use online courses, blogs, webinars, and professional advisors to improve financial knowledge. Creating educational content about these topics attracts a high-value audience, contributing to higher CPM for monetized videos. Emerging trends include digital banking, cryptocurrency, ESG investing, AI-driven financial tools, and mobile-first financial solutions. These trends influence personal and business financial decisions, creating opportunities for content creators, educators, and marketers. Staying updated with regulations, market developments, and fintech innovations is crucial for success in the U.S. finance sector. In conclusion, finance in the United States covers personal finance, banking, investments, retirement planning, insurance, business finance, and fintech. Understanding these areas enables individuals and companies to grow wealth, manage risk, and make informed decisions. In the next part of this series, we will explore high CPM finance niches, investment strategies, credit management, and tips for monetizing finance content in the U.S.